last time. So pay attention and be with me the whole time, okay? Let's go from the beginning, the very first phrasing. So the first phrasing, second phrasing, third phrasing, and the last phrasing, it's gonna be same as the second phrasing, okay? Let's go from the beginnings. Okay, it's going to start from B on G string, C, open string D, come back to C, A, go one step up, B, step down, G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, coming down, E, open string, and the second phrasing. This is the same as the first phrasing. Come back to C on G string, B, A, B, A, G, and then B, open string D, E, F sharp, G, and then fourth finger down on G string, and then open string. And then the fourth phrasing is completely different. Long bow, B, G, D, E, F sharp, G, D, and then string crossing to A, come back to D string and G, F sharp, E, D, C, B. Now you know the drill. The second phrasing. C, B, B, A, G, and then B, C, E, fermata, pause for 1, 2, and then come back to G string, C, B, A, G string. Wonderful. So let's go from the beginning, and I'm gonna play the intro. Wonderful job, everyone. So I will see you next time, and if you have any questions or any concerns, please let me know. Then bye-bye.